In this video, I am going to share to you on how you can insert a video file in Microsoft Excel. So let's go quick into the process. So first is we just need to open Microsoft Excel. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Excel. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank workbook. Then you just need to simply choose the cell as to where you want it to be inserted. So I'm just going to go with this one by clicking on that cell. At the ribbon, you need to click on the Insert tab, and here you'll find text. Click on this drop down and you will find Object. Click on that, and this window will appear. Now in this window, we just need to simply click on Create from File. So you have two options, Create New and Create from File. Click on Create from File and browse for the location of the video. So I saved it in my desktop, this one, and click on Insert. And as you can see, the file name will be added from here. And then you just need to simply click on OK. And that's it. You can also adjust this. Okay. So if you want to also remove the line, right click. And then you have the option Format Object. And you have here the colors and lines. You have here for the line. Make sure that for the style, just need to simply like that. For the weight, just need to simply choose to 0 point and click on OK. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.